Good morning, dear students. We are discussing Unit 5 of Inorganic Chemistry, that is, Preparation, Properties, Structure and Uses of the following compounds. And our today's topic is about silicates. What are silicates? Silicates are the compounds which contain SiO4 negative tetrahedral anions, are such units joined together through corners. The example of silicates involves quartz, asbestos, mica and zeolites. In silicates, the basic building unit is the SiO4 negative ion tetrahedral, in which there are 4 oxygen atoms which are arranged at the 4 corners of the tetrahedron, with silicon at the center of the tetrahedron, and the silicon atom involves the sp3 hybridization. So depending upon the number of corners of this tetrahedral unit or number of oxygen atom shared with other neighboring SiO4 negative tetrahedra, we can classify the silicates into 6 categories. The number 1 is nesosilicates or orthosilicates. These are nesosilicates or orthosilicates. They don't share any of their oxygen atom or any of their corner with any other tetrahedral units. So there is no sharing of oxygen atom with any other tetrahedral units. Different examples are zircon, valinite, phenacite, olivine. The structure is shown here. In the structure or in the figure, we can see that we are having 4 oxygen ion at the 4 corners of the regular tetrahedron, and silicon atom is sitting at the center of this tetrahedron. Our second types of silicates are pyrosilicates or sorosilicates or double island silicates. These pyrosilicates or sorosilicates involves the sharing of only one oxygen atom or only one corner with the neighboring SiO4 negative tetrahedral units. For example, thortvitite, hemimorphite are pyrosilicates. The basic structure units formed as a result of sharing of this one oxygen atom is Si2O7 6 negative. Third type of pyrosilicates are ring or cyclosilicates. In these silicates, there is sharing of 2 corners or 2 oxygen with the neighboring SiO4 negative tetrahedral unit, and the structure can be arranged in a ring in a 3-membered or 6-membered rings, which are most common, whereas 4-membered rings and 5-membered rings can also be made. The example is wollastonite and beryl. Next is inosilicates or chain silicates. These inosilicates or chain silicates involves the sharing of 2 or 3 oxygen atom with the neighboring SiO4 negative tetrahedral unit. So there are 2 categories. If they involves the sharing of 2 corner or 2 oxygen atom, they results in the formation of pyroxene, and these tetrahedral units are arranged in a linear or single-stranded fashion, forming chain-like structure. Example is orthopyroxene, diopside, spodumene, etc. Second types of inosilicates or chain silicates, they involve the sharing of 3 oxygen atom or 3 corner of each tetrahedral unit with other tetrahedron, and they results in the formation of double chains. They have the basic structure group as Si4O11 6 negative, and the examples are tremolite, ferroactinolite, etc. Next class of these silicates are phyllosilicates or sheet silicates. These phyllosilicates or sheet silicates, these are involves the sharing of 3 oxygen atom of each tetrahedral unit with the neighboring tetrahedron. Results in the formation of infinite 2-dimensional sheet of these SiO4 tetrahedra. Example is clay, talc, mica, chloride, serpentite, etc. The last one are tectosilicates. Framework silicates are 3-dimensional silicate. So, if all of the 4 corner or 4 oxygen of each SiO4 4 negative tetrahedron are shared with another tetrahedron, the resulting structure is a framework or 3-dimensional structure. They have their general formula as SiO2N. Examples are feldspar, zeolite, quartz, crystallite, tridymite, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.